Hey PC World fans, Keith here at the CyberPower PC Suite, and they've got a lot of new systems coming out, new configurations, new cases even, but they've got something even bigger that I want to show you that I'm really excited about, and I think if you're in the streaming space or the gaming creation space, you're going to be just as excited as me, so let's go take a look at that. So you may remember their Pro Streamer setup that CyberPower PC released some time ago that was a dual tower monster with a small system in the bottom, and you could play your games on one and they would go out and get captured on the other one through a bundle of cables and this very complex setup where you had to have all kinds of things going on. Well, that's a thing of the past now with 2.0. Thanks to a Thunderbolt 4 or better license that comes with the Pro Streamer setup to allow for Thunderbolt Share, all that complexity is gone and it's all being done through one cable. And let me talk about how this is set up here. So this is their Amethyst Curve system. It's completely pre-configured. They've got this model, this particular one, I believe is available through Best Buy with this color wave. And through the Pro Streamer 2.0 setup, it's going through this one cable, this one simple cable over to their Tracer 9 Edge Pro LC16. And while this is a monstrous gaming laptop, you can get away with any laptop that has Thunderbolt 4 or better because it's going to be, the license is here and it's going to be able to put it out to another device. Okay, that sounds great, but what are we putting out? Well, we're putting out the signal, the same video and audio signal that's going to this monitor here, except we've got it going out here and you can see it over here on OBS being captured. And then you can record it, which we've seen a demo of that, and you can start streaming it from here and do your overlays and set it up all you want to, and you've got a separate streaming box and then your gaming system. And what's really cool, I want to show you this, if for whatever reason, there's always the reason you want to try this. So this is the window that it would come through, and I can actually take this, and as I move the mouse, you're going to see I can take over the main computer. You can see it changing over there. It's really cool. I just wanted to show that you could do that. But again, the big thing here is now you've got a streaming box, and you can do a variety of computers can do this, not just this high-end laptop, but it's all part of the Pro Streamer 2.0 setup. And if you're into video game streaming, content creation with video games where you're capturing, if you're doing tutorials, there's so many different things that you could be doing with this. But the fact that you're able to do one cable, and if anything happens to this laptop and you had to replace it with another one, that's fine. Your licensing and everything is on the system. So all you need is your one cable and you've got a production studio at home. So at the end of the day, it's great to see a much more simplified setup for streaming and content creation. I'm excited to see it come to fruition. It's super cool to see it. Let us know what you think about it down in the comment section. And if you want to see even more CES coverage, we've got that covered here on the channel.